Uh, we're looking at a female red-tailed hawk at the New England Wildlife Center. She's in the process of being rehabilitated here at the center. Red-tailed hawks are moderately common raptors for this part of the world. They really prefer to live along roadways. They also like high-tension wire woodlands, the field area beneath the high-tension wires that sort of merge with the woodlands on either side. That's called an ecotone, and that's a great area for lots of little animals that they might eat. Reasons that red-tailed hawks come to the Wildlife Center is really about three reasons. One is that they get hit by a car, by a vehicle when they're along the roadways and looking for their food. They will eat both live animals, but they'll also scavenge when automobiles hit an animal, and when it's lying dead on either side of the roadway, the red tails will often come down and take it as fresh killed meat for them, especially during their nesting season. The other reason we see them is because people shoot them. There's still a fair amount of irregular following of the rules about shooting animals, and we see a fair number of them coming in with bird shot in them, people hitting them with shotguns. It doesn't necessarily kill them, but it does do some damage, and it can kill them, and it's strictly illegal, especially in a state like Massachusetts. And the third reason we see them is sometimes along the high tension wires they will come along they'll fly so close to the high tension wires that they'll get tangled in the wires and they'll do some damage to their wings. So this is the three main reasons. This bird is looking pretty good. This bird is probably going to be released pretty soon. You can see back here on her tail that there's a piece of plastic on her tail. We do that as a way of protecting her tail feathers. The tail feathers are really important for helping the birds steer when they're in flight, and if they don't have a well-developed tail feathers, or if they have ragged tail feathers, it makes it harder for them to fly. So this bird is going to be soon to be released. You can see she's a pretty majestic looking animal. It's a great lesson for our undergraduate students and for our volunteers to come and assist in the care and being able to do the visuals on an animal this close up and to see them and how what their particular biology is. I guess we'll let her alone. We'll come back to another animal on another episode. Thank you very much. I appreciate you watching. See you again on Greg's Trail. Thank you.